Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can export specific projects within your plain project management application, for example, in one of your workspaces. So let us dive into this. So navigate to the plain project management app, for example, via Google Chrome, log into your account and select the workspace in the top left. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your account settings by clicking into that gear icon at the bottom left. From here, what you want to do is navigate to workspace here, and after that select exports from that left panel. And here under export in project, click into that arrow down icon or drop down menu and select one of your projects. So let me go with this one here. If you see that checkmark button to the right, it has been selected. You may also select the output file format like CSV, JSON or Excel. And last but not least, initiate the export by clicking into this button. And after that, you will see that a download button below listed here under previous exports for the given project. So simply click into it to save it on your device, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.